College is where you create your future profession. College helps students develop into mature, responsible, and independent adults. We may not sure about where we are going, at least we know how to find our way to our dreams. Hello, madlang BUNers! I am Bian Lozano at ngayon, samahan niyo akong kilalanin ang Bicol University. Welcome to the premier state university in Bicol region. Founded on June 21, 1969 through Republic Act 5521, Bicol University.
It is generally known that the main goals of universities are to produce high-quality graduates for the job market, to continuously advance the frontier of knowledge in all disciplines, and ultimately to advance human civilization. Aside from advocating scholarship, leadership, character, and service as core values, Bicol University is also known for home of top-notchers in the fields of accountancy, engineering, midwifery, nursing, social work, and education. Bicol University encourages students to follow a path of planning, organizing, leadership, and management, driven by the inspiration to make a difference and challenge future possibilities by enhancing students' individual capabilities and skills. Bicol University is divided into multiple colleges.
And one of those is the College of Social Sciences and Philosophy, or known as CSSP. Hello madlang BUNyo! I'm Stephanie M. Day, and for today's video, samahan niyo akong kilalanin ng CSSP at ang kurso kong AB Sociology.
The Bicol University, since its creation on June 21, 1969, through the passage of Republic Act 5521, has remained faithful to its commitment of being strong pillar for regional and national development. With the changing demands of the time, it has pushed for reforms to broaden and strengthen its program and maximize the benefit that should rightfully accrue to the community it serves. The implementation of the BU Comprehensive Development Plan as approved by BU Board of Regents through Resolution Number 072 Series of 2003. Saw the emergence of the College of Social Sciences and Philosophy as a new college of Bicol University from the former College of Arts and Sciences. It was created through Board's Resolution Number 05 Series of 2004 on September 10, 2004 and started its operation on January 1, 2005 under the authority of Administrative Order Number 263 Series of 2004.
Dahil napakilala ko na sa inyo ang College of Social Sciences and Philosophy, ngayon kilalanin naman natin ang kurso kong Sociology.
The Bachelor of Arts in Sociology, or AB Sociology, is a 4-year degree program in the Philippines that will teach you about human society, its structure, history, development, and how different culture groups vary from one to another.
Huy! Ba't ka nagsosyo?
Ha? Ganito kasi yan. Actually, sociology is not my first choice. I am only below kata from the other course, which is the social work. But as a person who wants to be an effective and productive member of society, this not stop me from pursuing for what my real goal is. Because all I wanted is to be involved in an institution that focuses on the understanding of reality and what is happening in our society. The sociology course is my last chance to help me fulfill my goal. So I grabbed the chance and take it. This course would help us to have broad knowledge in understanding of social diversity, culture, and social conflict. This would help me as a person and to be more relevant and significant.
Choosing a right course that really aligns with our goals and passions is the most significant decisions we make in our lives. It is not about acquiring a degree, but also about shaping our future and identity. From the very start, I have this growing interest to study about society. That is why I choose sociology. Studying sociology is a great eye-opener to the truth about society, and it will give you a broad view to the various types of people, opens your mind for a new perspectives, and provide context for understanding human thought and action. For that, I believe that this course is really aligns with my career goals, and it increases the chance for me to achieve my goals in life. Thank you. Our experience as AB Sociology student.
Sasabihin pa ba?
Wag na, ipakita na lang natin. Let's watch this! Steph, what is your goal as a student?
As a student, my first goal is to do my part as a Bicol University student, to be characterized for being a responsible and transformative member of society or catalyst of change. Because I believe we are not just living on our own. Everyone around us plays an important role in our lives, and it has an impact on us as a person. To be the very best way of ourselves and to be an effective student of social sciences and philosophy. How about you, Bian?
For me, one of the most important goals is to graduate 4 years with sociology degree. While pursuing my degree, I will need to be focused and driven to keep an eye on the big picture and never forget why I do the things I am doing. I came to college both for my education and my future career. As we can see in today's society, it is so hard to get ahead without any further education beyond high school. Almost every field needs a degree. So for me to be a competitive candidate for today's job, it includes a higher degree and have a degree. It's really great. Olga na! Dapat atras ka!
Huy, ba't ka nagsosyo?
Ha? Ganito kasi yan.
Okay lang, okay lang.